Assembly of agricultural drone. Installation of RevoSpray system. First, we will take the RevoSpray system as an example to complete the installation of the P150 agricultural drone. Before installation, it is required to check the list to ensure that all listed items are complete. If anything is missing, please contact your dealer in time. Install the landing gears. Step 1. Install the number 2 landing gear into the hole of the liquid tank. Use M4 multiplied by 45 screws to prefix the landing gear, and then use M4 multiplied by 10 screws to pre-lock the landing gear. After proper adjustment, tighten all screws. Repeat the previous steps to complete the installation of number 1 landing gear on the right rear side of the liquid tank. Note, the liquid tank XAG logo surface placed upside down is the front, 2 landing gear is on the right front, 1 landing gear is on the left front, and the landing gears at the diagonal positions have the same serial number. Put the crossbar into the T-joints at both ends of the landing gear. After clamping and fixing, align the crossbar fixings with the holes, place them on the liquid tank, and use 4M4 multiplied by 8 screws to pre-lock the crossbar fixings. Install 2 clamps to both ends of the crossbar, and then use 2M4 multiplied by 10 screws to pre-lock the clamps. After each component is adjusted appropriately, tighten all the screws to complete the installation of the landing gear on the right side. Refer to the previous steps. Complete the installation of the left landing gear of RevoSpray in sequence, then turn RevoSpray upright to finish the installation. Note, please install the landing gears according to their serial numbers. It is prohibited to exchange number 1 and number 2 landing gears for installation. Installing the wrong model of landing gears can lead to installation failure or damage to them. Completing the installation of the application system and the drone. Align the holes of the P150 drone airframe with the bosses of the RevoSpray system to fix the airframe on the RevoSpray. Step 2. Unlock the hasps of the airframe and then fasten the airframe and RevoSpray. Connect the airframe application system cable. Connect the 2 liquid tubes of the RevoSpray's pump. Then, the device installation is completed. Installation of spreading system. Prior to installation, please check the list to make sure all listed items are present. If any item is missing, please contact your dealer promptly. For the installation of landing gears, please refer to the landing gear installation process of the RevoSpray system. Install the spread assembly. Turn the granule container over, place it sidewise, and open the cover of granule container. Place the spread assembly on the granule container, hold it firmly with your hands. Use M5 multiplied by 14 screws to fix the spread assembly to the granule container by passing through the through holes on the outside of the granule container. Install the M5 multiplied by 20 washers and M5 flange nuts inside the granule container in sequence. After taking out the wrench in the toolkit to fix the M5 flange nuts, complete the installation of the remaining screws to secure the spread assembly to the granule container. And connect the screw feeder motor plug to port 11 of the granule container hub. Use 2 M3 multiplied by 8 screws and washers to fix the screw feeder motor cable clamp so that the screw feeder motor cable is fixed on the granule container. Connect the spreading disc motor cable plug on the spreader to the P1 port of the granule container hub. The plug is fixed on the hub. Turn over RevoCast to place it upright, thus to complete the installation of spread assembly.